Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Flower. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Flower. Following that, you need to install this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then you can mute the music right away by tapping on the note icon located at the bottom left corner. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Finally, you can check out all of those settings however you wish to. And when you're ready, click on the bottom right corner again. This way though, select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Apply and pick one of those options in order to save your wallpaper, home screen, all home screen and lock screen. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, magic fluids were successfully applied on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!